This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. It's Tuesday, October 11th, 2022. A court in the Netherlands has ruled that a U.S. company violated a Dutch worker's human rights by forcing him to keep his webcam on during work hours, TechCrunch has reported. Hired by Florida telemarketing firm Shay2, the employee was terminated for refusing to be monitored for 9 hours per day by a program that streamed his webcam and shared his screens. The company said it fired the worker for refusal to work and insubordination. However, the employee stated that he didn't feel comfortable being monitored all day. "This is an invasion of my privacy and makes me feel really uncomfortable. That is the reason why my camera is not on," he's quoted as saying in the court documents. Shay2 failed to show up for the court hearing. Tracking via camera for 8 hours per day is disproportionate and not permitted in the Netherlands, the verdict states, adding that it also violated Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights. The court found that Shay2 dismissed the employee unfairly and must pay a $50,000 fine along with the worker's back wages, court costs, and unused vacation days. It was also required to remove a non-compete clause. As Florida is an at-will state, employees can be fired for any reason as long as it's not illegal. In the Netherlands and other EU countries, however, you must have a valid motive for firing someone, refusal to perform work, culpable conduct, etc. Otherwise, the employee has grounds to dispute it. And hackers believed to be based in Russia temporarily forced around 14 public-facing websites for U.S. airports offline on Monday. The LaGuardia, O'Hare, and LAX websites were among those targeted, and most are back online. A senior U.S. government official said that air traffic control, internal airport communications, and other critical operations were not affected, but travelers looking for security wait times or other information may have been inconvenienced, according to ABC News. An LAX spokesperson affirmed that no internal airport systems were compromised and there were no operational disruptions. On Monday, October 10, 2022, at approximately 0300 hours, there was a denial of service incident lasting 15 minutes that resulted in intermittent delays accessing the LaGuardia Airport website, a Port Authority spokesperson told ABC News. The Port Authority's cybersecurity defense system did its job by detecting the incident quickly, addressing the problem in 15 minutes, and enabling us to alert others by notifying federal authorities immediately. There was no operational impact to any Port Authority facilities. The incident, said to be the result of distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks, have been pinned on pro-Russia hacker group Killnet. The hackers are not believed to be government actors, however. There's no evidence that the Russian government was involved in this incident, a cybersecurity analyst said. Both the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency and Transportation Security Administration are monitoring this situation, CNN reports. CISA noted it didn't have any worries about airport operational disruptions. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.
Spoken Layer.